Good morning everyone. This is our graduation day of three idiots. So, lang naso. Ako lang pasayon gamay pero kanunay ana ang presente. Kini sila. Tingala lang po ko kini microphone sa. Pwede ra mo ipintag. Pwede siya. Pero karon diri taron sa atong graduation day sa atong mga kabataan. Yung mga medal nila diri. Sa medal for gold medal and silver medal and bronze medal. This three just here for my inspiration. Today is not tomorrow because today is a graduation day. Sige. Ato na ito sugdan tong atong mga klaseng mga estudyante diri sa kwan. This is three idiots with Japan, Korea, Espanyol, and Philippines. Di yun atong kuha na itong naso diri. Ay, type Philippines. Okay guys, ato na sugdan itong mga kalikan sa atong graduation day. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a graduation day. Always be faithful. God bless. Ato na nasugdan kay nagpanikan na ang mga tao. Tanaw ang mga tao. Wow. Pakpak sa mo guys. Clap your hands. Okay. Okay guys. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, personal. Philippines. Number 1. Natoy Nato.
Hindi ka nag-aral. Saan ka nag-aral?
Yes. Okay guys. Ikaw may nakadaw ganing bronze of medalist. Ikaw ang the base of mathematical of science of engineering in the Philippines. I have a question for you for 1 or 2 question. It's okay. You? I question you of math. Okay. 5 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 5. 1? Wow. So bright. So grabe. So your mind is very expected, not expected. Yes. What the hell in your Philippines? What the hell you're in your Philippines?
The hell kay may tikod.
Bago ka makagraduate ka ni, unsa may mga kurso mo paagi sa imo?
Hold upper.
Ngano man?
Para dali rang kwarta.
Okay kayo. Pero kini kung medal ako ihatag nimo the best kini siya. Ihatag ni sa imong mama kat uni imong kagulingon para sa imong kayuhan. Utan. Yeah. Okay guys, this is Philippines area. Natoy. Disappoint. Dili na punta sa atong kaduhang mo graduate dan 3 idiots. Duha na ikuwang 2 idiots na lang po. Si Jaguar.
Si Mochi.
Malipalan ba ka sa imong graduation ko? What are you what the hell are you?
Japan.
Hey! Aru ko Rishimara Asuru.
Ano ni?
Nazu. This for you. Medal.
Medal.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hangir.
Yes. You. Just for you, man.
Thank you.
Hey. This. Come. I have a question for you, man. I have a question for you, sir. Mag-unsa man ka. sa imong pag-graduate human. Kung sa may kuwaong kurso nimo.
Daba.
Ba? Yeah, good. Thank you and very much. Picture for me with few minutes. Jaguar, the base of hanger. Okay, thank you. Hey, hey. Last but not the least, for Indonesia, Ebade Tuksoy. Okay, sir, and good morning. Your graduation today is not today.
Selamat pagi, Tuan.
What?
Saya ini orang Indonesia.
Speak English.
English saya tidak pandai. Pasal saya sekolah di college di Philippines ini, di negara ini, saya suka ke sini. Di negara kamu. Tidak apa, kau cerita saja. Cerita saja.
Okay, guys,
Saya paham.
I not understand your saying, but I understand me.
Yes. Okay, continue to your language.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Magsalita na po ng Pilipino muna.
Marunong.
Yung alien, alam mo, sa college, sa pag-aral ko, yung alien, totoo yung answer. Eskwela yun. Yung iba, maraming mga question na ano daw yung answer ng alien. Sa Bisaya, alam mo, yung eskwela, alien. Eskwela.
Okay. This medal for you of gold. This first honor.
Terima kasih.
This
Terima kasih.
gold for Indonesia. The best of Cobra King.
Terima kasih. Banyak terima
Yes,
kasih.
yeah. This is for you. You come to the front and I will touch you. Wow.
Salamat pagi bro.
For
Pilam.
pilam. What si ano na ako? Tagalog. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand?
But not too much speaking Tagalog.
Tapos mo pag anong kursong kuhain ninyo? Tapos ka na, may medal ka pa?
Yung gusto ko, motorbike yun. Bata pa ko, saya suka main motorbike di Indonesia, di negara kami, di sana. Saya baik-baik sejak lah.
Okay.
Tapi banyak perempuan suka sama saya. Hindi naman medyo may kagandahan at sa kagwapuhan. Hinahabol ako ng mga babae. Alam mo.
Okay. Thank you. So all your cooperation in here in the front. Okay, guys, this is come to over the Japan and Philippines come over in the front of the stage. I have congratulations to three of you. Three idiots. Father, son, and sister. Guys, thank you. Hey, Kogo. Hey, Kogo.
Terima kasih.